Hello, to enable USB debugging on the Redmi Note 14, first of all we have to go into the settings and we need developer options. In case you do not have developer options available, we have to go into About Phone, scroll down and go into Detailed Info and Specs, and we have to press a couple of times the OS version until we will be notified that we already are a developer. And yeah, from now we go back to the settings, scroll all the way down, go into additional settings, again scroll all the way down, and right there we have developer options. So we go in here and we have to scroll down, and as we find the USB debugging option right here. So basically, to enable this option we press this switch and we are being notified that this is a highly sensitive service, and we select the I'm aware of the possible risks, press OK, and just like this we have the USB debugging enabled. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.